Hi everyone. Today in this video we'll check out how we can free up hard disk space after we installed Windows 10 over an existing Windows 7 or Windows 8 8.1. As you know that installation files takes a lot of space and they are not automatically deleted. Just to make sure that you can uninstall Windows 10 later on if you have upgraded. So if you are sure that you do not want to uninstall Windows 10 upgrade and you do not revert back to Windows 7 or Windows 8 in future, you can just delete those files to free up some space on your hard disk. As you can see, this is the Windows 10 system property, just to show that we are on Windows 10 here, right? So to clear the space, we need to just check out the hard disk space properties so that we can find out where those files are located and how we can clean it up. So just click on the C drive and click properties here, and here in C you have the C drive, local disk C drive properties, in which there are different tabs. You just need to click on here disk cleanup. Just click on disk cleanup, and the disk cleanup utility will scan your system files and everything else on C drive to check out what files can be deleted. We'll wait for a few seconds. Hopefully the cleanup utility will show you good enough number of useless files that you can delete. As you can see, the process took almost 2 minutes or more than 2 minutes, and here you have a set of different files and folders that you can delete to free up some space. But as you can see, this cleanup utility at the moment doesn't show you the installation file that are left on this C drive. So for picking those installation files and leftover files from the installation, you need to just click here the cleanup system files button at the bottom of this screen, this box. So just click on clean up system files, and now it will take some time, and it will then show you quite a huge amount of hard disk space that can be recovered by deleting the old installation files and any other files that are not used. Here, as you can see, we have a new disk cleanup screen which tells you the amount of file and other folders that can be deleted to recover space. Here you can see two entries which are quite big. The first one is temporary Windows installation file, which if deleted will give a 5.14 GB hard disk space, and this entry here which says previous Windows installation, which is 7.16 GB. So if you combine these two entries and delete these two, you'll get approximately 12.3 GB of free space on your hard disk. And considering that this is more than 10 GB of hard disk space, this can be quite valuable if you are running out of hard disk space on your system. But make sure that you delete these files after you are sure that you do not want to revert back to Windows 7 or 8 from the operating system from which you upgraded to Windows 10. For me, I won't be reverting back to Windows 7 from which I upgraded, so I'll be deleting these files. So I just selected these previous window installation and temporary window files, and I'll click on the OK button, and it will start deleting all those files, giving me a space of 12.3 GB, right? So just click on OK, and it will ask for a confirmation. Just click on delete files again, and it will clean up your hard drive. This process of deleting will usually take few minutes or maybe 10 minutes, more than 10 minutes, I'm not sure. But this will be over pretty fast, right? Here again we got a pop-up which asks us that if we clean up the previous Windows installation or temporary files, you will no longer be able to restore the machine back to previous version of Windows. Are you sure you want to do this? I'm sure, but you should make sure before clicking this S button, right? So clicking that S button will delete all those files. As you can see, the process has started and you can see the progress bar. Let's see how much time it takes, and it will save us 12 to 13 GB on our C drive, which is quite good to have. As you can see, the process has finished and we have almost 31 GB, 32 GB of hard disk space, which is free on C drive. Previously, this free space was around 19 to 20 GB. So you can see we already almost got around 13 GB of free space. This process nearly took 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it. By doing this, you can free up valuable space on your hard drive, C drive, after you upgrade to Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.